Hey everybody, Dave Hooke here over with the Brand Ambassador Program, the Dave Hooke team over at Keller Williams of Central PA. And I'm really excited to be with Matt and Nathan Tuckey with the Tuckey Companies, multiple generation family owned local business that does just about everything to just get an update on who they are and learn a little bit more about what they're up to. So Matt, Nathan, thanks for being with us today.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Yep. So Matt, just remind for somebody who's out there listening, who are you guys and what do you do?
Yeah, well, so we're the Tuckey Companies, a family of 3 different companies, essentially, all in the construction trades: Tuckey Mechanical Services, Tuckey Metal Fabricators, and Tuckey Restoration, all really with a shared focus of serving our neighbors and our neighborhoods well. And we've been doing that since 1968.
You have been doing it for a long time and you do a great job for myself and a lot of our different businesses. So what's the number one question you get asked by customers out there?
Yeah, we've talked about this before, and really it's that idea of, does Tuckey do this or does Tuckey do that? And we do provide a very wide scope of services, but I can also assure you, we have deep roots in the community, deep roots in the construction trades. If it's not something that we're uniquely positioned to do, we can certainly be a resource to connect you with somebody who can.
Absolutely, and you've done that for us, and it goes back to that question. Somebody's out there and you have any issue, whether it's commercial or residential, it can be any issue at all with your property and you don't know who to call, just give Tuckey a call. I found that 99% of the time you guys can do it. In the 1% that you don't think you're the best fit for, you'll find somebody who does. And so what are you most proud of as you think about the last year or so of business? What is the thing that really energizes you and you're most proud of?
I'll take that one. I'd say our people, our team. Part of what I work on here is HR, recruitment, et cetera, et cetera. And it's been a challenge over the past 12 months in every industry. Our team, really, the team that we're assembling, just very locally focused, very rooted, very proud to be a South Central Pennsylvania team and serve our neighbors here. Yeah,
for sure. And so as you think about the next year, what are you most excited about and energized for in 2022?
I'd say that's systems. We're going to be implementing some new back-end systems that, customer may or may not care so much about, but I think they'll make a really big difference to the customer's experience. Clarity of communication, timeliness of communication, and service visits and projects. So excited to get that implemented. Absolutely.
And that word systems is near and dear to my heart. It may not seem exciting to most people, but it often, as you grow, if your focus is on the customer, people don't realize it. If you're willing to invest resources and money and time into really great systems, you can enrich that client relationship and keep them better informed than you would be otherwise. So if somebody's listening out there today, how can they get in touch with you if they want to give you a call if they have an issue?
Yeah, so they can call us 24/365 at 717-249-3733. They can visit our website at tuckey.com, or if they just want to email info@tuckey.com, they can definitely, we can get them connected to the right person.
Awesome. And if anybody, is thinking about calling you and you want them to keep you in mind, is there any special incentive that they might want to mention or ask about if they give a call in the next few months?
Yes, absolutely. So it's almost springtime. Get ahead of the curve. In springtime, you don't want to be sitting with a broken down air conditioner in July, right? So springtime is preventive maintenance time. So if you mention that you saw this video, saw the others with Dave Hooke, $25 off your first preventive maintenance visit for 2022.
Awesome. So you heard it here first, everybody. If you have an issue with your commercial property or your residential property, really any size, shape, or kind, definitely reach out to Tuckey Companies. Or if you want to get ahead of the curve and not be sitting here in July with an air conditioning issue, give them a call here in February, March, April, May, sometime in the spring. Reach out to them and just tell them Dave Hooke sent you. They'll give you $25 off. And you can reach them at 717-249-3733. That's 249-3733. Or just go to tuckey.com and tell them Dave Hooke sent you. I know that they'll take good care of you, as they always do with me. Guys, thanks so much for your time today. We really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Thanks for having us, Dave.
You got it.